Hello everybody, welcome back to Kitchen Sink Pack. Today we're building an oil setup for no reason. There's actually no reason in building this thing, except for fun. It is fun to build an oil setup like this, and that's what I'm doing. I've just now realized that there's going to be a problem getting power around here. But here's the big issue. It's coolant. We need to actually figure out if you can run coolant through these. I'm pretty sure you can run coolant through these, and then it just goes through from IC2 coolant. But also, once it gets to here, this is where the next refinery is going to be for it. Hopefully, hopefully it doesn't have to go through the other way. Like if it has to go through the top, and I have to switch the pipes around, that'd be a pain. I don't want to do that, so yeah. How do we get hot coolant in IC2? Coolant. Check this out. There's IC2 hot coolant, and you can make it in solid fuel fission heating. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows how we can? Well, I mean, obviously you could boil it. Magmatic dynamo? What? You can just burn this stuff? I mean, anyway, the way this thing is actually able to work is on lava, and if you have a bucket of lava and you just shove it in this thing, it will work. From what I understand. And so I need an actual tank that can store lava, because a wooden one will probably just burn if I shove lava in it. And if I shove lava on it as well, it'd probably also burn, but even worse there. Well, I think it would be worse if the lava was in it, but my friends, I have a simple solution to this problem. We will just extract from this tank here and then shove it into the thing for now. Eventually, I will set up the IC2 coolant because my friend is telling me that I can do this. So, yes. This is how we're going to do this. We're going to shove in the configurator. Boom. And that puts the lava in there. But it's not going through. What is this? I put in all of this work just for it to fail. Rip. Or did it? I don't know. Okay, so now that it's going in, kind of. The problem I'm having now... Oh, it doesn't have a way to go out. If it goes out through here, then that works? Yeah? No? No, I don't think that works. Well, it should go in there. Yeah, that is not how this is supposed to work. Okay, try that again. Push that out of there. Okay. I need to use this thing to extract from that thing. It's causing some issues here. It's causing some severe issues here. Like actually causing some real issues. Boom. Wait, what? Huh? That did some stuff. That did the wrong thing. That did the wrong thing. It's not doing the right thing now. It took the... Aren't they supposed to flow in opposite directions? Wait, it's a heat exchanger from Buildcraft, not a heat exchanger from GregTech. I think they would flow in opposite directions still. I'm not sure about that one. Maybe... This goes through the tube in the center, right? You got the tube in the center. Let's say they flow in the same direction. That's the problem I'm having here, is trying to figure out how the heck these things go together to make this thing run. And also my inventory's full. Because it just is. It's just the life we live, okay? We should have all 7 of these. Boom, shove this in here. Do I have my lava? Yes, I do. Why is it always stored as 0.5 instead of just 1,000? Okay, so that goes in there. Okay, we're gonna say that goes into there. And then this one is gonna extract out and shove through the thing. Right? Yeah? You're doing the stuff you need to do? No, you're not. Because, why? 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 Just why? Okay, let's try it again from the bottom. Okay. Kind of did something. I think it's trying to do something. I think it's trying to do what it's supposed to do. It put the lava in the center. Oh. Well, now that's kind of dumb, isn't it? I think I know what it's doing, and it's really stupid. It needs to go the opposite direction. Why? Why does it have to be so particular about how the heck it's going together? What is this garbage? This is just dumb. Like, actually dumb. Okay, so that goes through there. Boom. Right? That's how that's gonna go. Then this stuff goes through the bottom. No. It goes through the top. Wouldn't it go through the top? It would go through the top. This thing is like the biggest pain ever. Like, you have to figure out how the heck you do this thing. Like, what? I mean, oh crap. Not this again. We're having pipe shenanigans. Disconnect that. There's no other stuff in there, right? I'm gonna be able to put my lava in there. It's gonna be fine. I hope. These are like, what, 0.5? Okay, cool. Lava's not going in. Let's go through us. Oh, I just deleted the lava from existence, even. I just deleted the lava from existence. Will it go in through this side or something? Like, is that how it's supposed to go in? Honestly, this heat exchanger business is the most stupid, annoying as ever. Lava goes in through this side. Yeah, it does. Okay, that means it comes out the other side. And that also means that the other stuff goes in like this. Which is kind of annoying, but makes sense, I think. To some degree. Right, so then, if I do the pipe spaghetti and fix everything up so it goes in the correct place where it belongs, then it should be working. Or no, it needs to go in the bottom. Through the bottom then? No. That, well, we got it to work, but now it's using this stuff. This is annoying. It's like, you get it to work for 5 seconds, and then boom, you get this annoyingness, which is like actually just bothersome, causing so many problems. Bruh, and now I've heated up the wrong stuff. This is natural gas or whatever it's called, and it's useless for us, for most things. Okay, so now we figured out that stuff, because that was the problem that was just annoying. We now can set up our mechanical pipe to now put this stuff into the next refinery, which is gonna go spaghettified in this direction, of course. I guess the power cabling will be way easier now. So my friend tells me that IC2 coolant can run through this, and if he's correct, then I have an easy way of, you know, making an actual oil setup that doesn't need the extra nonsense of, you know, lava constantly being supplied to it, which costs energy to make lava, so I'm not going to try to do that. But what I think is the best option is that I could actually run the stuff through the thing, and it will just work. It will just work. Trust me, it will work beautifully. I should place this down here, and then that should give it power. Yep. Right, I'll give this guy power. He's clogged. It's fine. Boom. And all that extra natural gas, or whatever the heck it's called, gaseous fuel, will go in handy for producing extra energy over here. So if you want to make coolant in the actual IC2, you're going to need to set up a fluid solidification machine made with a bunch of those tin plates or whatever the heck they're called. Yeah, we can make them, no problem. Check this out. I will make them right now. It takes, what, 7? So I need to make 4 of those. Why not? And it'll take all of our tin, throw it down the drain. Yes, but that's the tin. That's the tin. That's not copper, not steel. Just the tin, which is barely used for anything because, of course it is. It's the cheapest material ever. So now I need to grab lava. Convenient that I fell down this hole. Because this gives me the lava faster. And lava gets us to making the IC2 coolant. And then we can tell, myth bust this and see if it is actually true or false. Whether or not you can actually get IC2 coolant to work with Buildcraft. Now, I have no clue if this is able to work. I have no clue if this is supposed to be able to work. I'm only assuming that, well, what my friend is telling me is probably maybe not correct, but also potentially correct. Um, so that's why I'm testing it, because I need to make sure it is correct and all that. I'm not sure why I didn't just go with the other method, because I kind of need to get the glass too. Let's get the glass smelt thing then, because I have charcoal and I can smelt glass like it's nothing. You know, I even have solid fuel. I could just smelt the glass with that. Like, that is so cheap to make nowadays. The solid fuel is, Right, so then I can just start hooking all this in and I can make another heat exchanger, which I don't need yet. So, if this Buildcraft heat exchanger works the same on both setups, then it will just cost us to shove the actual stuff in lava in through the straight line, and the other stuff adjacent to it so it goes in a very weird direction. Honestly, your heat exchangers would be simpler if you just had 2 lines. And if it was less expensive, too, to make them. But I think these are pretty simple once you know how to use them. I think. I mean, I know how to use them now, and I think they're pretty simple. But it took us almost an entire episode to figure out how to use them, which is crazy. I didn't even look it up though, which is good, because I mean, I looked up like what the flowchart. That's about it. What else did I need to look up? I didn't look up anything else for it, so yeah. Like, honestly, you figure these things out, so I guess they are simple. It's not like something that's difficult to figure out. Boom, and then you just need to have this for lava, and that's gonna shove in the lava when we go to do that. That will be just one of these tanks here. Boom, that will be lava, and we have to first heat up our actual IC2 coolant, and then shove it through here. So that's the first step, is heating the IC2 coolant, which we have to make inside of an IC2 machine.